Good, good. Hey, here's the question about that, you guys. Do we feel like we've earned that?
Yes.
Okay, well, so do I. Let's get out there and have some fun, shall we?
We've only been here for like 5 minutes. That's not a punishment. I don't feel punished. Where's the shame I'm supposed to be feeling?
There's no shame in making a mistake, Mac.
Yes, there is. How else would I know not to do it anymore?
Hey, listen, man, I'm a licensed psychotherapist.
You're a talking dog. I'm out of here.
Great.
I'm scared.
I'm sure you are, Sam. I'm sure you are. Because you're a pussy. Now, look, man, that's
Jesus
not your
Christ,
fault.
man.
It's not your fault. This dog, your parents, the whole culture is grooming you to be a pussy. You got no freedom, which means you got no balls. And then even when you actually do get caught doing something bad, you're not held accountable. And if you're not held accountable, you feel no guilt. If you feel no guilt, you feel no shame. If you got no shame, you're never gonna hate yourself enough to stop being bad and grow some balls. You diddle this kid. You're definitely on camera. I don't know if you want to be alone with him.